This is the Gearhead die set from Tim Holtz and Sizzix. There are 22 dies in the set. There's one corner die piece with a bunch of different gears, and there's 21 different gear dies of all different shapes and sizes. This is a great die set for a masculine, a mechanic, or a steampunk project. I love the fact that you get so many different individual gear dies to choose from. This is a great die set to cut out of metallic cardstock, but I also like to cut it out of black cardstock and then use a metallic paste to color it. That way I can get some color gradation between some gold, rusty, silver, and just really customize it to how I want it. And I also find it really, really easy to color this way. Once I'm done coloring it, I glue it to the front of my card base. Another way that I like to use this die set is once I'm done gluing all of my individual gears to the front of the card, I'll take a paper piercer and I'll pierce the center of some of the gears and add a brad. It gives some extra dimension. It also makes it a little bit more realistic looking, and I just like the detail that it adds to this background. I'm using them on a card here, but you could easily use it on a mixed media project, art journaling, a tag. This would be a great card for a mechanic and car enthusiast. Sometimes it's hard to find ideas for masculine cards. This is a great idea for one, using this gears die in many different ways. And the sky's the limit with how you can arrange them. I absolutely love this die set and all the potential it has for the different projects you can create with it.